Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by protecting your skin and clothes. Gloves and a towel matter because the pigment can stain. Once done, dampen hair if the bottle asks for it. Some Apple Color shampoos work best on wet hair to spread evenly. Section hair into 3-4 parts and use roughly 1/2 to 1 pump per section, focusing on roots first where color fades quickest. Work quickly but deliberately, because even coverage here sets the tone for the whole result. Once roots are saturated, move to mid-lengths and ends. You want to massage the shampoo for 2 to 3 minutes to let the pigment penetrate. Make sure to comb through with a wide-tooth comb so the product spreads evenly and avoids blotches. Keep watching the color as it develops. Apple Hair Color shampoos often show changes within minutes, so check under good light and compare to your goal, making adjustments to timing rather than adding more product. You finish by rinsing thoroughly with warm water until the runoff is mostly clear. Slightly tinted water is okay. Then apply a conditioning treatment for 1 to 2 minutes to seal cuticles and lock in pigment, because conditioning keeps color lasting longer and reduces brassiness. If you find uneven patches, retarget them with a shorter reapplication of the shampoo, about 1/2 of the original time, and use a color depositing tonic.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.